Welcome to today's desk bite, where we step away from our desk and we do some belly dancing to relieve our stress and get some daily movement in a little bite-sized pieces that feels really fun and good, so that you go back to work, you're feeling energized. Okay, so let's do some shimmies. All right, the shimmies are a great way to take your little belly dance desk bite. So what are we doing here? So our knees are just going back and forth. And the more you can get your hips to relax and get really loose, and if you have to slow down the pace, do that. And just go back and forth. And you really want to just get that feeling like you're shaking stress out of your body. And really, as you do this, you're going to breathe. Inhale. Exhale. And really open up your chest. Shoulders down and back. You're lifting up from the top of your head and relaxing those hips. See, the more I relax my hips, the more it looks like I'm actually trying to move my hips like this, but I'm not. It's just my knees going back and forth. And you could even try to shift your weight from knee to knee, from leg to leg. And then just to kind of change the rhythm, do a little hip circle. And notice where you feel tension or restricted movement, and switch directions. So what are we doing in this desk bite? We are moving our energy, we're shaking out our stress, we're improving mobility and flexibility in our low back and our hips, which is so important for preventing back pain. Let's go back to our shimmies. Breathing, opening. Just really feel like you can even kind of ground your hands down. And go back to the circles one more time. And that'll be our little bite. And switch sides. And how do you feel? How do you feel now versus how you felt a few minutes ago? Do you feel happier? Do you feel a smile coming on your face? Do you feel more relaxed? Do you feel the sense of possibility open? Moving your body in a joyful way can really help you to connect with those things. I hope you enjoyed today's belly dance bite, and I'll see you in the next video.